Normally you go to a place and they just have like 2 or 3 blueberries. And check this. You guys want to do highway?
So I shot this photo shoot in Vietnam, in Nha Trang, Vietnam.
Okay.
I think it was like 2 years ago. And I still have yet to top this photo shoot.
What's up?
Okay, this is one of the photos. And loading. Yeah. So you see how the look of it? Like,
yeah, I see you.
I don't know what he did. Even all of the photos have like that.
Oh,
certain,
these two, huh?
Yeah, it's a certain look he has. Like he did all of these.
We can do that.
And like this was like a abandoned, like I don't even know what it was.
That's
like,
a crazy photo there.
It's like some type of camper or something.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you see? And then we found like some sticks and we burned it and then made it look like I was coming out of the camper.
Damn.
With burned sticks and this one like. Alright, man.
Cool. Double tap that.
Yeah.
Did you bring like accessories and stuff?
Absolutely.
I brought some stuff.
I got some random shit. I got a magnifying glass. So, what else?
Let's not start a fire. Or we could start a fire and shoot the fire.
Dude, I was thinking that this morning. I picked it up and I'm like,
my friend.
We're gonna start
and this is her. And even when you talking, she's talking like that because she's from England.
Oh, where's she from? Does she look like me?
It's not about she look like you, it's like she act like that and y'all talk the same.
We have a challenge on today and I am going to be the model / support.
Definitely. Okay, I see y'all.
Did she give you a change?
No, she's coming back.
You hope she's coming back.
Oh, she coming back.
You got
We're here at the airplane graveyard. So I've actually been wanting to come here for a really long time, so this is awesome! So here with Danny and Paris, killing it with the TikTok video, dancing. And here's the planes.
Sharp edges everywhere. There's just sharp edges all over this place.
Okay, we got a risk assessment here.
And it's not exactly the cleanest place ever.
And snakes and spiders.
No.
And all that.
Are you serious?
Yeah, airy.
Oh my god.
Shoot you guys on film a little bit.
So what are you shooting with today?
Dude, I'm shooting Canon EOS R. Let's go a vlog for a vlog. Vlog on vlog.
Vlog on vlog.
Vlog on vlog.
This is so fun. We've definitely got some good shots inside of this plane. It's so cool inside. Let me show you. Yeah. So now we're gonna check out the smaller plane. This is so much fun.
You want to come up there too?
Okay. Hello. Yeah? Yeah? She's like, hello. She's trying to kick us out, man.
No.
She's trying to kick us out. Oh, it's 200 per hour. Okay.
Take a few shots. So, alright, once you go up, you're gonna go, we'll take one shot of you in the middle level. And then there's some stairs to go up, and then you'll go to the top level. I think it'd be cool to get both of you guys, also solo each.
Okay.
So I'll be down here. Just carefully. There's a lot of stuff.
Like no safety at all. You gotta be careful. So this is how I'm getting changed right now. I'm using my phone propped up in this broken bit of airplane as a mirror so I can choose my next outfit. I think it's the color of the shears. Damn, I didn't do any vlogging. I got actually a lot of video. I got a decent amount. You guys got video. Yeah, I got the video. I got the videos. So, what did I learn? You need to pay 200 baht per hour if you want to come here, and be careful. There's holes in the floor, sharp objects, scary people around.
It's tiring. It's hot.
Yeah. Oh, and there's bugs. No snakes. No snakes.
And snails. I got a video of a snail.
Oh yeah, there's snails. Snails and chickens. Injury. She will come and tell you when it's time up.
Yeah.
That's a wrap.
We got another one, Danny.
Yeah, we got
Oh, I'm gonna use that as a tag. That's your tag, bro.
What?
Hey, we got another one, Danny.